Guys, today I will be unboxing the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the front, this is the side, that's the top, and this is the other side. Overall, the front looks pretty good, and when you open it, you see this, and this was on there. It says iPhone, and if you open it up, it has all the constructions and stuff, and it says you don't need to longer activate your stuff. I don't think we need that, but okay. So here's the iPhone. Here's the back. The cameras look pretty good. Like, I think that's the Ultra, and this is the top. This is the sides. And here's the side over here. Okay, so let's take the sticker off. That's so satisfying. Okay, now let's open it. This is the first time opening it. It looks really good. I like the color. You have to log in, but I don't think we need to see that. So I'm just gonna put this back. So this is what's in the box. It has a charger. I think, look, it has like you know the Apple's. This is a normal charger. This is a normal charger. It has like this wire, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a different wire. Like this is them side to side. You see like how this one is like kind of ropey and it's like a rope texture. That's because like these ones break really easily, and the iPhone 16 it's really good, so like it won't break. And I really like this. Like when an iPhone opens, like this is not normal packaging. Now let's open this. I don't think this part comes off because yeah, it's not coming off. So I think that's all. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.